Hey, this is Emily, Songbird from Glee, sung by Santana Acapella, but I'm going to sing it a cappella, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, you, there'll be no more time. Oh, you, the sun will be shining, and I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right to you. I'll give the world to you. I'll never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds are singing like they know the song. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. And I wish you all the love in the world. But most of all, I wish it from myself. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the song. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like never before. Thanks for watching, and please tell me what you think, and if I get something wrong, please tell me, and I will definitely do my best to fix it. Thanks for watching. Bye!